It gives me great pleasure to invite Pramit Bhargava, who is ex-IIT, ex-IIM. He's an alumni of these two places, and he's been a professional, technical person. And he lost his vision a few years ago, and he's moved on a path to discover how technology can help him move forward in life. And in the process, the technology he has developed helps other visually impaired people in India and across the world. And it is my pleasure to invite uh, Pramit Bhargav and his team. I would leave it to him to talk about his company and about the work he does and about the app he's created, the revolutionary app that he has created. So, Pramit, over to you.
Thank you. Hello, everybody. My name is Pramit, and like it has already been mentioned, I am the founder of Louis Voice Control, and I have with me two colleagues, Mayank. Mayank, you want to say hello?
Yeah, hello everyone.
And Jyoti.
Hi everyone.
तो हम तीनों मिलके आपको अगले करीब 45 मिनट्स में थोड़ा सा we'll give you a background of what Louis is, how it got developed, how did I get inspiration, और उसके बाद हम एक लाइव डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन भी करेंगे जो ज्योति करेंगी. So I'll give you a bit of my background. Hopefully I'll not bore you guys, but I think it's important to therefore understand, how the inspiration came. So like as already mentioned, so I'm actually, I did computer engineering, then I went and did my MBA from IIM Bangalore. And then I worked with companies like Hindustan Unilever, Motorola, Quest Diagnostics, the mobile store. And about 21 years back, reaction of a drug impacted my retina. और उस टाइम ऑलमोस्ट ओवरनाइट जो मेडिसिन का इम्पैक्ट हुआ ऑलमोस्ट ओवरनाइट माय विजन ड्रॉप्ड. और उस थोड़ा बहुत मेरे को उस टाइम करेक्शन मिल रहा था, फिर लाइफ चलती रही, धीरे धीरे द विजन केप्ट ड्रॉपिंग. एंड अबाउट 9 years बैक आई रियलाइज दैट नाउ आई कैन नॉट रीड एनीथिंग एट ऑल, सब कुछ क्लाउडी और फॉगी हो रहा था. और उस टाइम आई स्टार्टेड यूजिंग स्क्रीन रीडर ऑल्सो. और स्क्रीन रीडर से शुरू में तो बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रगल करना पड़ा, क्योंकि जब मैंने पहली बार ऑन करा तो फिर समझ में नहीं आया कि अरे ये क्या हुआ, है तो पूरी फ़ोन ही लॉक हो गया. तो गूगल पे जाके मेरे को देखना पड़ा कि ये स्क्रीन रीडर से कैसे निकलूँ. तो मैंने अपने आप ही धीरे धीरे जितनी भी असिस्टिव टेक्नोलॉजी है सब यूज़ करी, ट्राई आउट करी, सबके प्लसेस माइनसेस समझे. और करीब मैं 2.5-3 साल, जब ये जो पीरियड था वेयर आई वाज नॉट एबल टू रीड, आई वाज एक्चुअली सॉर्ट ऑफ लॉस्ट. आई वाज जस्ट सिटिंग एट होम. उस टाइम मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस खत्म हो गया था, कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा था. आई वाज ट्राइंग टू लिव इन द पास्ट. तो एनीवे स्लोली मैं इससे निकला. एंड देन कुछ एक चांस की बात है कि आई वाज डूइंग सम कंसल्टिंग वर्क, और एक वेंचर कैपिटल कंपनी है सिक्वोया कैपिटल, तो मैं इनके मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर से मैं मिलने गया तो था कंसल्टिंग के काम के लिए. उन्होंने एकदम से मीटिंग के बीच में मेरी स्टोरी सुनी, कौन सी एप्स यूज करते हो. एंड ही सडनली सेड, अरे व्हाई डोंट यू बिल्ड एप्स फॉर पीपल लाइक यू, you will help yourself and probably help other visually impaired friends as well across the world. तो ये थॉट तो आया, बट आई कैन टेल यू स्टार्टअप चालू करना बहुत ही मतलब आसान नहीं होता, इवन द थॉट ऑफ इट. तो थोड़ा मेरे को उनसे सपोर्ट मिला, और फिर आई थिंक एक इम्पॉर्टेंट स्टेप जो और हुआ, तो तब तक मैंने उनको बताया था कि ये एप्स हैं, इनमें ये अच्छा है, ये कमी है. और कई बार व्हाट हैपेंस, ही टर्न्ड इट अराउंड एंड ही आस्क्ड मी कि अच्छा ये बताओ कि व्हाट इज गोइंग टू बी गुड, और इसको हाफ अ पेज में कैप्चर करो. एंड आई कैन टेल यू, मतलब थोड़ा क्रिप करना, इसमें ऐसा नहीं है वैसा नहीं है, ये सब तो बहुत आसान होता है जैसे मैंने डिस्कवर करा. बट उसको किसी को ये बताना कि अच्छा ये अच्छा नहीं है पर ये अच्छा है, इट्स वेरी वेरी डिफिकल्ट. तो एनीवे तो वहां से चांद से मैं इसके बारे में सोच ही रहा था कि भाई क्या क्या बिल्ड करना चाहिए विच कैन ट्रूली हेल्प. और इन अ वे मैं तो पहले अपनी ही प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर रहा था, तो पहले मैं ये देख रहा था मेरी नीड क्या है और क्या प्रॉब्लम, क्या चीज हो सकती है, कैसी ऐप हो सकती है जो प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करे. सो ऐसे कोई चांस मीटिंग थी एक और कि वेयर आई हैड गॉन टू मीट अ फ्रेंड, एंड ऑन द वे बैक ही टुक माय फोन एंड ही सेड कि चलो मैं उबर बुक करा देता हूँ. तो उन्होंने मेरा डेस्टिनेशन लिया, ही पुट इट इनसाइड ऊबर, उसने 3-4 डेस्टिनेशन दिखाई, मैंने डेस्टिनेशन उनको बता दिया आप ये सेलेक्ट कर लीजिए। इसी तरह जो भी राइड है वो मैंने बताई, उन्होंने मेरे को फेयर बताया था, सब कुछ उन्होंने मेरे से कंफर्म करा दोबारा जिससे कि कोई गलती नहीं हो, और उसके बाद उन्होंने बुकिंग करा दी और इवन ड्राइवर को कॉल कर दिया। सो ऑन द वे बैक इन ऊबर आई जस्ट थॉट कि बॉस ये एक्सपीरियंस तो बहुत बढ़िया था, बिकॉज एक तो ऑफकोर्स बहुत कन्वीनियंट था, एंड मोर इम्पॉर्टेंटली I was always in control because I want to be independent, but I want to be in charge because I was the one making those decisions. तो तभी एकदम से दिमाग में स्ट्राइक करा, it was like almost like a eureka moment for me, and I said, what if I can build a virtual friend right there on the phone screen, which will do exactly what my human friend was doing. So it will do a continuous voice interaction with me. It will let me do each and everything within an app that it supports. It will take my voice commands, and assuming that I cannot see the screen, it will handhold me in a very special way. So this is how Louis voice control came in, and the concept of Louis voice control is simple, that can I just with voice commands control all my favorite apps as well as the phone features. So simply मैं इसको बस हिंदी में एक बार और रिपीट करता हूँ, ये इंपॉर्टेंट है कि क्या मैं सिर्फ अपने वॉइस कमांड से अपनी जितनी भी मेरी पॉपुलर एप्स हैं या जो फ़ोन के फीचर्स सेटिंग्स वगैरह होती हैं, क्या मैं उनको सिर्फ वॉइस कमांड से कंट्रोल कर सकता हूँ। और लुई ये करती है, जैसे मैंने बोला, ये एक तरह का हमारा दोस्त है, वर्चुअल दोस्त है जो स्क्रीन के ऊपर है। लुई बाय द वे स्क्रीन के ऊपर भी काम करती है और स्क्रीन के नीचे भी है, अभी हम आपको दिखाएंगे। पर बेसिकली ये थॉट थी कि अगर ये मेरे ह्यूमन फ्रेंड की तरह, जैसे अगर जब भी मेरे को कन्फ्यूजन होता है मैं सोचता हूँ कि चलो मेरा एक ह्यूमन फ्रेंड अगर सामने अक्रॉस द टेबल बैठा होता तो वो क्या करता, तो बिल्कुल उसी तरह वो मेरे साथ कंटिन्यूस इंटरेक्शन करे, मेरे को सारे ऑप्शंस बताए, मेरे को एक एक चीज़ उस ऐप में करने दे वॉइस कमांड से, और मेरे को स्पेशल हैंड होल्डिंग दे, ये जान के कि भाई मैं स्क्रीन नहीं देख सकता, है ना, ये नहीं कि अच्छा स्क्रीन पे ये 3 चीज़ें हैं, बताओ क्या क्या लेना है, वो एक एक मेरे को बताएगा और उस हिसाब से मेरे से सिलेक्शन कराता जाएगा। तो अभी हम आपको एक छोटा सा वीडियो दिखाते हैं, आई थिंक इट विल ब्रिंग अलाइव द कॉन्सेप्ट वेल, एंड देन वील गो इनटू अ डेमो। Meg, if you can have the video, please.
Hey, I'm Pramit. I'm the founder of Louis Voice Control. Louis allows users to completely control apps with just voice commands. As a visually impaired, there was a phase in life when my vision was dropping drastically. I was lost. I just didn't know how to deal with this condition. Low vision and falling rapidly. I found myself seeking help for the simplest things in life. Making phone calls, managing my contacts, moving around in Uber, staying connected on WhatsApp, and even listening to my audiobooks and music. It was all just getting difficult by the day. And then a turnaround happened. A sighted friend was helping me book Uber. He kept asking me questions and I kept giving the selections. And voila, the booking was done. And this got me thinking. This was a eureka moment. What if I could, right on this phone screen, build a virtual friend, exactly like my friend who was helping me book an Uber. And thus, Louis was born. Louis is that dependable friend we are all looking for. Just give it voice commands and it will do the task to the full. This will allow you to voice control apps completely. Hey Louis.
Hello Pramit, good to see you. Which app would you like to use? YouTube, or Uber, or WhatsApp?
Uber.
Say or spell destination.
Park Plaza.
Park Plaza Gurugram. Would you like to select this location?
Yes.
Let's select a ride. Moto, 152 rupees.
Uber Go.
Uber Go, 2, 104 rupees.
Select.
Your pickup location is Hotel Radisson. Your destination is Park Plaza Gurugram. Payment method, test payment. Good to go with. Uber Go.
Confirm.
Your booking is confirmed. Your driver is 8 minutes away. Driver profile, 5.0 star rating, white Chevrolet Aveo. Call or message driver.
Message.
Speak your message.
I'm wearing a blue shirt.
Got it.
Send.
Message sent.
You must be wondering, how is Louis different from voice assistants Alexa, Google, Siri? Well, there is just no comparison. Voice assistants tend to be just too superficial. They will only do 2 or 3 things within an app. And they have the nasty habit of going silent all the time. In comparison, Louis will allow you to completely, inside out, control apps with just voice commands. And Louis does so in a continuous, two-way human interaction, something that every human needs. Louis has come a very long way. It can now voice control YouTube, Uber, WhatsApp, contacts, and phone calling, and many more apps are on the way. There is, however, one missing ingredient: your feedback and your suggestions. This is the only way we can make it work for the entire visually impaired community. Please try out Louis. I would love to talk to you. I am fully committed to making Louis work for all of us. Thank you so much and welcome to Louis. YouTube.
Please tell me the name of the video you want to search for.
Happy Original.
Pharrell Williams Happy, official music video, 4 minutes, 1 second. Would you like to play this video?
Yes.
Okay, playing video. Skipping ad.
It might seem crazy.
Video pause.
Forward 37 seconds.
Forwarding.
Here's why. Because I'm happy.
Comment.
Speak your comment.
Hey, this is a great one.
Got it.
Send.
Comment added.
Share video.
Okay, sharing on WhatsApp. Say contact name.
Boss.
Video shared, going back to YouTube.
Contact.
Create a new contact or search for an existing contact.
New contact.
Please speak the number you want to save.
+1 203 458 2829.
Say or spell the name by which you want to save this contact.
William.
Contact saved William.
Delete.
William contact has been deleted.
Edit.
Want to edit name or number?
Name.
Say or spell the new name.
Godfather.
Okay, name edited.
Block.
Okay, contact blocked.
WhatsApp.
Latest chat. Boss, 10:49 a.m. Simran, yesterday.
Go to Godfather.
Opening chat. Receive, today. This message contains contact card. Do you want to save this contact?
Yes.
Say or spell contact name.
Tech Guru.
Save.
Create a new group.
Say contact name.
Godfather. Add.
Say contact name.
Boss.
Set the name of the group.
My mentors.
Group created.
Share location.
Current location or live location.
Current.
Current location shared.
Group call.
Voice call or video call.
Video call.
Starting video call. Video call.
Reach out to Pramit. Call or WhatsApp +9 1 9 8 1 1 8 8 6 0 0 1. Email pramit@louievoice.com.
राइट तो जैसे हमने देखा बेसिकली वॉइस कमांड्स के थ्रू मैं इस वीडियो में अपने सारे जो मेरे पॉपुलर एप्स थे वो आई वाज एबल टू यूज देम सो करेंटली लुई इज इन एंड्रॉइड ओनली बट इन द सेकेंड हाफ ऑफ दिस ईयर वी विल आल्सो डू टेक्निकल फिजिबिलिटी फॉर आईफोन्स लुई इज अ वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस तो अभी तो हमने कुछ ही एप्स करी हैं देयर आर मेनी मोर एप्स दैट वी आर गोइंग टू वॉइस एनेबल अभी करेंटली द एप्स दैट लुई सपोर्ट्स आर व्हाट्सएप, उबर, यूट्यूब, managing contacts, phone calling, text messaging, and a whole lot of Android settings that can be changed with just voice commands. I think Q&A में we'll talk about the future apps as well as a lot of problems that we are solving. और इसमें एक वो डिफरेंस भी बताया था कि जैसे अगर गूगल असिस्टेंट है या एलेक्सा सिरी तो उनके साथ लुई डिफरेंट कैसे है. तो फंडामेंटली 3 डिफरेंसेस हैं. पहला डिफरेंस तो ये कि लुई कंटिन्यूस 2-वे वॉइस इंटरेक्शन करता है, जो कि ये वॉइस असिस्टेंट नहीं करते. वो एक बार आप कमांड दो, वो कुछ करेंगे, फिर दे विल गो साइलेंट. सो एक बेसिक डिफरेंस तो यही है, क्योंकि अगर मेरे को कोई भी चीज़ करानी है, मान लीजिए मेरे को एंड टू एंड उबर बुकिंग करनी है, तो उसके लिए तो मेरे को कंटिन्यूस हैंड होल्डिंग चाहिए. नंबर 2, लुई देयरफॉर बिकॉज कंटिन्यूस इंटरेक्शन होता है, तो देयरफॉर हम एक एक चीज उस ऐप की वी कैन यूजर कैन कंट्रोल इट विद जस्ट वॉइस कमांड्स. In technology terms, just to tell you, I said Louis is like a virtual friend on top of the screen, which is true. So you'll actually see कि वो screen खुल रही है Uber की, और क्योंकि हम screen खोल के काम कर रहे हैं, तो theoretically वो काम जो कोई sighted person कर सकता है, वो एक एक काम Louis can also do. And Louis also has the ability to work under the screen, so we can actually go deep inside the Android system and work there also. So बहुत सारी चीजें जो for example may not be readily accessible, वो भी हम somehow मैनेज कर लेते हैं. इसमें काफी इस ऐप को बनाने में बाय द वे जुगाड़ भी बहुत लगा है, बिकॉज इस तरह की अभी कोई ऐप है नहीं दुनिया में. So lot of tinkering around, lot of experimentation has gone in to put this together. अभी हमारे पास करीब यूजर्स 91 कंट्रीज में हैं जो यूज कर रहे हैं ऐप का. अभी हम जिस स्टेज पे हैं, बहुत सारी एप्स को और वॉइस एनेबल कर रहे हैं, और सारा फोकस इस पे है कि और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा यूजर्स यूज करके हमें फीडबैक दें. करीब करीब पिछले 9 महीने से तो आई कैन टेल यू कॉन्फिडेंटली सारा काम हमारा यूजर फीडबैक के बेसिस पे हो रहा है. और Q&A भी मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि आप प्लीज ट्राई करिए, उसके बाद भी अपना फीडबैक दीजिए. अच्छा लगा तो भी ठीक है, नहीं अच्छा लगा तो भी नहीं, तो भी क्यों नहीं अच्छा लगा, कैसे आपको लगता है कि वी कैन मेक इट वर्क फॉर यू, व्हाट आर द थिंग्स दैट वी शुड बी डूइंग, सो इट विल रियली हेल्प. सो लेट अस नाउ सी द डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन. ज्योति विल टेक अस थ्रू इट. ज्योति, ओवर टू यू.
Yeah, thank you, Pramit. Am I audible now?
Yes.
Okay. So, hello everyone. My name is Jyoti and I'll be demonstrating Louis Voice Control. तो सबसे पहले तो आपको प्ले स्टोर से आप इजीली Louis Voice Control को डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं. आपको बस Louis Voice Control ये नेम टाइप करना है. And the minimum requirement to install Louis is that your phone's Android version must be Android 7 और later. अगर आपके फोन में Android 7 से नीचे Android वर्जन है, तो फिर आप Louis यूज नहीं कर सकते हैं. तो प्ले स्टोर से डाउनलोड करने के बाद जैसे ही आप ओपन बटन पे क्लिक करते हैं, तो सबसे पहले जो स्क्रीन आपको अपीयर होगी,
Louis settings. Turn on Louis voice control. Select OK to go to.
So basically first screen says that turn on Louis voice control from accessibility settings. तो इस स्क्रीन में, इस पॉपअप में एक ओके बटन है, जिसको टैप करने पे आप एक्सेसिबिलिटी सेटिंग्स में जाएंगे. वहां आपको Louis को फाइंड करना है एंड देन you have to enable the Louis service. So I'm just going to do that. I'll tap on this OK button.
Accessibility. Install. Louis voice control. Louis voice control. Alert allow Louis voice control to have full allow. Louis settings. Louis permissions. In the next.
So I have enabled my Louis service, और सर्विस को ऑन करने के बाद आप ऑटोमेटिकली इस स्क्रीन पे रीडायरेक्ट होंगे, which basically tells you कि Louis को ऑपरेट करने के लिए what permissions are required and why we are taking it. So इस स्क्रीन पे पूरी उसकी ब्रीफ आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन मिल जाएगी कि हम कौन सी परमिशंस क्यों ले रहे हैं. एंड देयर आर टोटल नंबर ऑफ परमिशंस आर 6. तो microphone, phone, contact, location, read call logs and SMS permission are all the permission which we are taking. And इस screen पे there's a next button. So जैसे हम next button को click करेंगे, all the permission pop-up will appear one after another. So to use Louis आपको one by one सारे pop-ups को allow करना है. तो I'll just do that.
Next. Allow Louis voice control. Allow Louis voice. Allow Louis. Allow Louis voice control. Welcome to Louis.
So after you have given all the permissions to Louis, there will be a welcome screen. इस screen में basically you have given a login with Google button and इस button पे click करके आप अपना कोई सा भी Google account से Louis के साथ login कर सकते हैं.
Login with Google. Google Play Services. Jyoti Neki. Google Play Services. Louis Voice Control. Successfully logged in with Google. The magic gesture of Louis. A two-finger touch is Louis' touch with two fingers on screen.
So it's very important to know कि after your successful Google login, there are 2-3 points which I must tell you. Louis is a voice app. It's not a screen reader. तो ये कोई screen reader नहीं है. Hence it requires no gestures. It only requires voice commands. तो जब भी आप Louis voice session use कर रहे हैं, आपके कोई से भी जो screen gestures हैं, screen reader के gestures हैं, वो work नहीं करेंगे. So Louis requires only one gesture, and that is the magic gesture of Louis, a two-finger touch. So basically, ये two-finger touch क्या करता है? It interrupts Louis, and you can give your commands faster to Louis. So I'll demonstrate it. But this setup screen is basically a practice screen. तो जैसे ही मैं इस पे two-finger touch करूंगी, setup अगली screen में move हो जाएगा.
Touch with two fingers on screen. Successfully perform the magic gesture. Louis voice control. How should Louis address you?
The next screen is, in the next screen, there's a edit box where you can type your name for Louis to call you by name.
Write your showing in capital J, Y, O, Jyoti. Currently, I support YouTube, Google, WhatsApp, contacts, and phone calling. English, US QWERTY, keyboard hidden. 7 tips to use Louis effectively.
After this, the next screen is 7 tips to use Louis effectively. You can go through all these tips, all these 7 tips. मैं आपको ये tips explain कर दूंगी अभी. तो आप ये सारी tips को go through कर सकते हैं if you want to use Louis effectively.
Next, Louis text to speech settings. Control speed, pitch, and voice of Louis text to speech settings.
Next setup screen आती है Louis text to speech settings, and it's very important because ये वो screen है जहां से आप अपने preferred engine और अपने TTS का speech rate adjust कर सकते हैं manually. Louis के साथ आप ये voice command के through भी कर सकते हैं, वो मैं आपको demonstrate करूंगी थोड़ी देर में.
Speech rate 2.5.
But if you want to change it manually, you can do it from here.
Next button. How to call you. 6 ways to start Louis after completing the setup. A quick double shake on switch.
In the
Double tap
next
to copy.
screen, there are various ways to start Louis after completing the setup, and the easiest one is a quick double shake. Another ways are whenever your Louis service is on, there will be a button displayed on your notification panel. तो आप जैसे अपने notification panel को नीचे करेंगे, वहां पे एक बटन आपको शो होएगा, उसका नाम है Start a Voice Session बटन. तो अगर आप उस बटन पे क्लिक करेंगे तो आपका वॉइस सेशन स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. अदर वेज कैन बी टैप ऑन Louis वॉइस आइकन प्लेस्ड ऑन योर ऐप ड्रॉअर, और जैसे ही हम सेटअप कंप्लीट करके Louis सेटिंग स्क्रीन पे जाएंगे तो ऑन द Louis सेटिंग स्क्रीन यू कैन से हे Louis टू स्टार्ट योर सेशन, और यू कैन टैप ऑन स्टार्ट अ वॉइस सेशन बटन प्लेस्ड देयर.
Next, tutorial started. Showing lesson 1 of 6. Skip. Default. No. Alert, welcome to Louis. We are almost done with the setup. No gesture will work during the voice session.
So we are all set, and this will be the last pop-up which you will be shown. And before starting the demo, I just want to emphasize on few points which one have to keep in their mind. So सबसे important बात ये है कि Louis will always give you commands option. So you just need to listen them very carefully and then speak one of the option after the beep sound. During your voice session, no gesture will work. Only gesture you can use is a 2-finger touch. It will interrupt Louis and you can give your commands faster. Also, if you want to put Louis on silent, आप कभी भी ऐसा कर सकते हैं. You just आप अपना फोन का स्क्रीन जो है ऑफ कर सकते हैं, मतलब अपना फोन लॉक कर सकते हैं, तो Louis बंद हो जाएगी. और you can use the command. You can use the command stop or shut up or silent. तो लुई अब बंद हो जाएगी और आप अपना फोन नॉर्मली यूज कर पाएंगे. And the last one is, if you feel that Louis talks too much, you can say talk less to adjust its verbosity. मतलब ये कितना बोलेगी, तो talk less बोल देंगे तो ये फिर अपनी bare minimum ही commands देगी. So here's a pop-up on which we have a OK button. And since it's my first voice session, तो OK button पे click करते ही मेरा पहला voice session start हो जाएगा. तो initially I'll be demonstrating how you can change your TTS speech rate and TTS engine with voice and how you can put Louis on silent mode. So I'll just tap on this OK button. First, I will turn my talkback off. You can use it with talkback also.
Talkback off. Hello, Jody. Since this is your first voice session, we recommend you to watch this 1-minute demo video.
3 tips to use Louis.
I'll skip this.
Open YouTube, Uber, WhatsApp contact, call or message.
Change your voice.
Currently selected Google TTS. Choose from Samsung TTS or Auto TTS or Eloquence TTS or Vocalizer TTS. After the beep sound.
Auto TTS.
Just a moment, I am changing my voice. There you go. I have changed my voice. Open YouTube, Uber, WhatsApp contact or call.
Talk fast.
Speech rate now set to 2.75. There you go. I have
Talk slow.
speech rate now set to 2.5. There you go. I have changed my
Talk less.
verbosity is set to 0. Now move around faster as no commands will be spoken. Say command anytime for all commands. There you go. I have changed my voice. Open YouTube.
Shut up.
Shutting down.
So this is the Louis setting screen, and if I say hey Louis on this screen, so my voice session, then my voice session will start. Also, there's a button called start a voice session button. You can also tap on this button to start Louis voice session. And this is the screen from where you can manually change all your settings for Louis. Now I am going to book an Uber.
Hi, Jyoti. Which app would you like to open?
Book an Uber to Hotel Radisson.
Opening Uber. Uber is loading. Just a moment. Setting it up. Screen is loading. Getting things ready. Please wait. Searching for destination. Radisson Hotel Gurugram Somna Road City Center. Radisson Hotel Gurugram.
Select.
Would you like to search for yes or no?
No.
Radisson Hotel Gurugram Somna Road. Radisson Hotel Guru.
Select.
Let's select a ride. Reading rides from low to high fare. Touch with 2 finger to select ride. Uber Intercity, 0 rupees for your outstation travel needs. Moto 1, 4:40 p.m. Discounted price 13 rupees. Actual price 18 rupees and 33 paise. Affordable motorcycle rides. Uber Auto 3, 4:38 p.m. Discounted price 35 rupees. Actual price 37 rupees and 46 paise. Auto rickshaws at the tap of a button.
It's reading rides in increasing order of their fares.
4:39 p.m. Discounted price 55 rupees. Actual price 57 rupees and 50. Uber Go 4, 55.
Select.
Your pickup location is Rahija Mall. Your destination is Radisson Hotel Gurugram Somna Road City Center. Payment method. Cash. Good to go with. Uber Go. Confirm. Edit or cancel.
Confirm.
Okay. Please wait, requesting a ride for you.
So now it's requesting a ride for me. Just waiting for driver's confirmation. It's an actual ride, so I just need to cancel it very quickly.
Requesting a ride for you. Your booking is confirmed. Your driver is arriving in 3. Min driver profile, 4.9 star rating. The trip pin is 590.
Cancel.
Cancel trip. Yes or no?
Yes.
Booking cancelled. Uber home screen. Say or spell destination or say.
Close Uber.
Closing Uber. So, which app this time?
WhatsApp.
Just give me a sec. Latest chat. Mayank new. 3:52 p.m. Mayank new. 3.
Open.
Okay, opening. Chat with Mayank new. Downloading.
Hey Jyoti, how are you?
Received. 3:51 p.m. This message contains image of size 30 kilobytes. Would you like me to describe this image? Yes or no?
Yes.
Downloading. Opening image. For reading this image, a special permission is required. Would you like to continue? Yes or no?
Yes.
Please wait. This image contains poster, screenshot, sky, space. Text written on the image are work hard in silence. Let success make the noise. Latest message. Received. Hello Jyoti, let's catch up over a cup of coffee. 3:52 p.m. Received. Hello Jyoti.
New message.
Text message or voice message.
Voice message.
Speak after the ping sound. Touch with one finger to send and 2 fingers to cancel. Speak now.
Hey Mayank, how are you?
Message sent. New message. Reverse read. Previous. Go back to WhatsApp home. And more options.
New message.
Text message or voice message.
Text message.
Speak your message.
Sure, we can meet.
Got it. Sure, we can meet. Send, rewrite, continue writing or cancel.
Rewrite.
Speak your message.
Yes, let's catch up tomorrow.
Got it. Yes, let's catch up tomorrow. Send, rewrite, continue writing or cancel.
Send.
Message sent. New message. Reverse read.
Go back.
Chat screen. Currently selected. Latest chat. Mayank new. 4:37 p.m. Pinned. Wizards product. 4:34 p.m. 400. Pinned. +91 74519 0467. 3:35 p.m. 100. +91.
Open.
Okay, opening. Chat with +91 74519 0467. Latest message. Received. Hi Jyoti, Mona this side. This is my new number 330. Received. Hi.
Add to contact.
Say or spell contact name.
Mona.
Got it, Mona. Save, edit name or cancel.
Save.
Okay, contact of Mona has been saved. Chat with Mona. Currently selected. Received. Hi.
Share location.
Current location or live location.
Live location.
Duration. 15 minutes, 1 hour or 8 hours.
15 minutes.
Live location shared. Latest message. Sent. 4:39 p.m.
Delete.
Delete entire chat or message.
Message.
Delete for me or everyone.
Everyone.
Deleted. Latest message. Received. You deleted this message. Received. You delete.
Close WhatsApp.
Closing WhatsApp. So, which app this time?
Shut up, Louis.
Shutting down.
So you saw that how quickly can Louis do things for you. And if you have noticed, I didn't use any other gestures on my phone screen. It was just voice commands and a gesture, 2-finger touch. And that's all. Now I am going to demonstrate YouTube on high verbosity mode. So this time I'll start Louis from my notification panel.
Hello, Jyoti. Which app would you like to open?
Talk more.
Sorry, I missed what you said. Please repeat.
Talk more.
Verbosity is set to high. You will hear commands at every step. Hello, Jyoti. Which app would you like to open?
YouTube.
Please tell me the name of the video you want to search for.
Happier official video.
Sure, opening YouTube. Reading search results for Happier official video. Marshmallow FT, Bastille Happier official music video 3 minutes. Currently selected Marshmallow FT, Bastille Happier official.
Play.
Okay, playing. Loading.
I will use magic gesture to pause this video.
Lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. When the morning comes, when we see what we've become. In the cold light of day, we're a flame in the wind, not the fire that we begun. Every argument.
Please speak one of these commands. Play, next, forward, rewind, replay, comment, go to channel or more options.
Forward 33 seconds.
Please speak one of these commands. Play, next, forward, rewind, replay, comment.
Comment.
Speak your comment.
Hey, this is my favorite song.
Got it. Hey, this is my favorite song. Send, rewrite, continue writing or cancel.
Send.
Comment added.
I have again used the magic gesture.
Speak one of these commands. Play, next, forward, rewind, replay,
Share.
I support sharing through WhatsApp. Continue. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, sharing on WhatsApp. Say contact name or spell first name.
Mona.
Got it. Mona. I found one result. Mona. No more contacts. Select this contact. Search again or cancel.
Select.
Sorry, I missed what you
Select.
Okay, add more, done or cancel.
Done.
Video shared.
And I'm left there with my thoughts and the image of you being with someone else.
I can subscribe
one of
to
these
this
commands.
channel.
Play.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
It's eating me up inside, but we ran off.
or anytime search for a new video.
Please speak one of these commands. Play, next, forward, rewind, replay, comment, go to channel.
Search.
Please speak the video name.
We don't talk anymore.
Searching. Reading search results for We Don't Talk Anymore. Charlie put We Don't Talk Anymore feat. Selena Gomez official video 3 minutes 51 seconds. Charlie put 2.5B views 4 years ago. Would you like to play this video? Yes, no, or search?
Yes.
Okay, playing.
We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore.
Video paused. Please speak one of these commands. Play, next.
Close.
Close Louis, YouTube or both.
Both.
Okay, see you soon.
So you saw that in high verbosity mode, Louis will always gives you command options and you can choose one of the spoken command. Also in low verbosity mode, you can say anytime, you can say commands and it will repeat all the applicable commands for that screen. Now I'm going to show how you can manage your contacts with Louis. This time I'll start Louis from the Louis voice icon.
Hey Jyoti, Louis works on voice commands, hence no gestures on screen are needed. I support YouTube, Uber, WhatsApp, contacts, calls or messages. Which of these apps would you like to open?
Contact.
Create a new contact, read all contact, or search for an existing contact.
Create new contact.
Please speak the number from the digits between 0 to 9.
+91 98 11 88 6001.
Got it. +919811886001. Say yes to confirm or no to re-enter the number.
Yes.
Say or spell the name by which you want to save this contact.
Boss.
Got it, boss. Say yes to confirm or no to re-enter the name.
Yes.
Contact saved boss +919811886001. Call, message, edit, delete, block, search, or cancel.
Call.
Okay, calling boss.
So you can save your number and you can call the number, edit, delete, block. So I'm just going to demonstrate how you can delete a number.
Hi Jyoti, Louis works on voice commands, hence no gestures on screen are needed. I support YouTube, Uber, WhatsApp, contacts, calls or messages. Which of these apps would you like to open?
Contact.
Create contact, read all contact, or search for an existing contact.
Search.
Please say or spell the first name.
Boss.
Got it, boss. I found one result. Boss +919811886001. Would you like to select this contact? Yes, no, search again, or cancel.
Delete.
Delete contact. Please confirm. Yes or no.
Yes.
Contact has been deleted. Create a new contact. Read all contact, or search for an existing contact.
Close contact.
Closing contact. So, which app this time? YouTube, or Uber, or WhatsApp, or contacts, or call, or message.
Phone call to Mayank.
I found two results. Contact result Mayank +919582032912. Currently selected Mayank plus.
Call.
Okay, calling Mayank.
So this is it. You can just use your voice command to manage your contact. You can create a contact, search for an existing one. You can read your all contact list. Also, you can edit your contacts. You can use phone calling with Louis, and some of the quick settings I would like to show you. Hey Louis.
Hey Jyoti, say talk less for a super fast experience. I support YouTube, Uber, WhatsApp, contacts, calls, or messages. Which of these apps would you like to open? Give your command after the beep sound, which you will hear now.
Flashlight on.
Turning flashlight on. Hey Jyoti, say talk less for a super fast experience.
Flashlight off.
Turning flashlight off. Hey Jyoti, say talk.
Where am I?
Just hold on. Finding your location. Sorry, not able to get your location. Try again later. So, which app this time? YouTube, Uber, WhatsApp, contacts for call or message.
Turn ringer mode on.
Turning ringer mode on. So, which app this time? YouTube, Uber, WhatsApp, contacts or call or message.
Shut up.
Shutting down.
So sorry, my phone just fell from my tripod. But yes, we are done with demo part. So over to you, Pramit.
Right. Thank you, Jyoti. So before we get into Q&A, मैं थोड़ा सा sum up करूँगा whatever Jyoti might have already shown. Sorry, I'll just turn off my screen reader. Okay. So I think one important thing to understand is that Louis is, as the name suggests, voice control. So we are with just voice commands, we can get our work done. So it's not a screen reader. And the way Louis has been built is that it can work with a screen reader or it can work without a screen reader. So automatically during the setup, we will work out, automatically will detect whether screen reader is on or not and accordingly set it up. So because Louis is not a screen reader, we don't need any gestures on the screen. Now this one is very important because typically first time when people start it off, they're trying to do a lot of things on the screen because we actually block all the gestures other than the magic gesture, which is a 2-finger touch. So that's the only gesture which is allowed. So Louis के साथ सिर्फ एक ही gesture allowed होता है जो कि 2-finger touch होता है, एक साथ 2 finger के साथ tap करना. और जेस्चर्स नहीं अलाउड होते हैं क्योंकि ये वॉइस से हमें काम कराना है, वॉइस कमांड से वो हमारे साथ इंटरेक्ट कर रहा है. तो क्योंकि ये स्क्रीन रीडर नहीं है तो इसलिए हमें जेस्चर्स मारने की जरूरत नहीं है. तो अगर लुई को बहुत आसानी से यूज करना है तो इट्स वेरी सिंपल. आप आराम से लुई को सुनिए और लुई ऑप्शंस देगा, वो सुन के उसको बीप के बाद बस हमें अपना जवाब देना है. और कभी जैसे ज्योति ने दिखाया कि लुई को अगर हमें कभी भी इंटरप्ट करना है या मान लीजिए एक के बाद एक वो व्हाट्सएप चैट मैसेजेस पढ़े जा रहा है तो बस 2-finger टच वहां पे कर दिया, वो उसी टाइम लुई इंटरप्ट हो जाएगा, बताएगा कौन सा सिलेक्टेड है और कमांड्स फिर से खोल देगा. कई बार होता है जैसे सुबह इनफैक्ट कल रात में हम लोगों का एक इंग्लैंड में एक चल रहा था वेबिनार, तो वहाँ उन्होंने यही पूछा कि भाई ये थोड़ी दिन बाद तो ये बड़ा इरिटेटिंग हो जाएगा क्योंकि मेरे को तो पता है अब ये क्या क्या बोलेगा. तो उसका भी बड़ा आसान है कि हमें सिर्फ टॉक लेस बोलना है. सो इफ आई से टॉक लेस इट मूव्स इनटू अ जीरो वर्बोसिटी मोड व्हिच मींस दैट इट विल स्पीक वेरी लेस. तो एक बार वंस आई गेट यूज्ड टू लुई आई कैन जस्ट से टॉक लेस. And the other thing which a lot of users had asked us and we have done is that Louis is completely open. So you can set up any text to speech engine, any voice that you want to. As long as, of course, it's in English, because right now Louis supports English only. Whichever, so you can just give a voice command, change voice, and you will get the options. And by voice only, you can say talk fast, talk slow. So these are just some of the things that we need to remember. और like I said, Louis को otherwise use करना बड़ा आसान है, बस ध्यान से सुन रहा है और अपने commands देंगे. So George, if it is okay, then we'll start taking questions and answers.